Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious corned beef hash. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of cooked corned beef, 2 pounds of potatoes, and 1 large onion. Make sure to dice these into small, uniform pieces, roughly 1/4 inch cubes, to ensure even cooking and a perfect texture. This preparation step is crucial for a truly satisfying hash. Now let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred oil or butter in a large, heavy-bottomed skillet over medium heat. Add your diced potatoes first, cooking them for about 10 minutes until they start to soften and develop a light golden crust. Then, stir in the diced onions, continuing to saute for another 5 minutes until they become translucent and fragrant. This builds a flavorful base for our hash. It's time to bring it all together. Add your diced corned beef to the skillet with the softened potatoes and onions. Mix everything thoroughly, then press the mixture down firmly with a spatula to create a flat surface. Allow it to cook undisturbed for about 8 to 10 minutes on one side, letting a beautiful, crispy crust form. Then, carefully flip sections to brown the other side evenly. Almost there. Season your corned beef hash generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. For a classic breakfast, create a few small wells in the hash and crack an egg into each. Cover the skillet and cook for about 4 minutes, or until the egg whites are set and the yolks remain wonderfully runny. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade, perfectly crispy corned beef hash.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.